Continuing on a unit of area and perimeter, we're going to do the area and perimeter of triangles. So the area again is the inside and perimeter the outside, around the outside. So you'll be able to calculate both perimeter and area of triangle given the side lengths and or the altitude. So you look at a triangle, we call the height the side or the segment that is perpendicular to one of the sides and goes to one of the vertices. So the height always has a right angle here, okay? And then the base is the side it touches. So the formula for area would be the area of a triangle is the base, this part right here, down here, times the height divided by 2. The perimeter is again around the outside. So if you look at the lengths of these sides around the outside, we're calling them ABC right now. So the perimeter, you just add up the 3 sides, okay? Not too bad. So let's look at our first example. And we've got a right triangle here. So now in a right triangle, you know, the legs here are the base and the height. You can call this one the height here. You can see that it is perpendicular to this base side here. We'll call this the base. It does form a right angle. It does touch a vertex over here on this other side. So now we know the base and the height. We'll fill those out first. You'll be doing the same thing in your quick check. The base is 48. The height is 14. So we can go ahead and figure out that area. The area equals the base times the height divided by 2. You check my answer and make sure it's right. I know I had a wrong answer a little while ago. I forgot to divide by 2. So check my answer for me. And we get 336. And remember, area is in square units. These are square inches. Since these were in inches, inches times inches gets you square inches. Now the perimeter, we need all 3 sides. So who remembers what to do with a right triangle to figure that third side? That's the hypotenuse. And we know the Pythagorean theorem says the leg squared plus the leg squared will equal the hypotenuse squared. So we'll call this side C for right now. Okay, so we're going to solve for this. Pythagorean theorem says that leg squared plus the other leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared, or the C. So if we square these and add them, you know, I do it all at once with the calculator. I put 14 squared plus 48 squared since they're on the same side here and add them up. And I get 2,500. And then to get rid of squaring, you take the square root. So that'll cancel out the power on this side and give me C all by itself. And the square root of 2,500 is 50. So now we know that third side is 50. We're able to add up all the sides and get the perimeter. So perimeter, we add them all up. You can check my answer. I got 112. Okay? So area and perimeter. Base times height divided by 2. Perimeter, add up all the sides. So we'll see some different problems coming up. Let's see, what do I got now? This is the quick check. So this is the end of this first video. You're going to do the quick check on your paper and then click the link for quick check 1 and put in your answers there. But if you need a little help, let me know. I think you'll be fine though. A little different with Pythagorean's theorem on this one, so let me know if you need any help. Good luck.